Hello, this is 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗆𝗁+//1 USD in my paper balance. In this video, I want to help one of my customer to purchase a VPS hosting package on Interserver. So that costs $25. So this customer contacted me and need my help to help him to purchase a VPS hosting on Interserver. So he made payment to me and gave me his Interserver login details. So right now I have logged into his Interserver account and I want to make this payment to paper as you can see here. So this is card and this is paper. So I want to make this payment from my $144 paper balance. So this VPS hosting price is $25. So as you can see here, so what I need to do is to click on pay with paper and I will be automatically redirected to paper to complete this payment. So this is it. So as you can see here, pay with preferred is paper balance. So I want to make this payment to my paper balance. So as you can see here, what I need to do is to click on pay now and this payment will be completed. So let me do that right now. So it is processing this payment. So as you can see here, boom, you paid $25 to Interserver details. I can see here. So I have completed this payment, pay with balance, and this is so this is just it. So let me screenshot this. So I have successfully helped my customer to make a VPS hosting payment right here on Interserver that costs $25. So if you want me to help you to purchase anything from Interserver based VPS hosting or web hosting or anything, just let me know in the comment section or contact me through my WhatsApp details and I will help you out. So I need to click on return to merchant and that's all. You will see paper will say that your payment was completed. To continue shopping, you can see this, that is it. So right now, if you want me to help you to make any payment on Interserver or any other web hosting website, be it Interserver or Namecheap or GoDaddy or 𝗂𝗏𝗿, anywhere, Bluehost, just let me know in the comment section and I'll help you out. Alright, so I make a webinar. Hello, in this video, I want to help one of my customers to make a $25 payment of a VPS hosting on an Interserver VPS hosting. So this customer reached out to me on Facebook and told me to help him to make this payment. So he has two accounts. So this is the first account. I'm going to help him to make $25 payment using a virtual credit card. And after this first account, I will then log into his second account and complete $25 payment as well. So this is the first account he sent me login. He have made payment to me. I have funded the virtual card that I will use to make this payment, and I have successfully logged into his Interserver account. So as you can see here, 𝗟𝗲𝗿𝗆𝗁.net. This is the website. He sent me the login. So what I need to do to make this payment for him is I click on add. This is card. I click on add card. So I have created a virtual card, funded it with over $25, and I need to add card to this and make this payment for him. So what I need to do here is to click on add credit here. So I click on it and fill in the card details. So here I need to enter the card number. So let me get it. So I have gotten the card number and the card details. So what I need to do is to paste it here. I need to cover it for security reasons. So the expiry month 02/25 and I enter the CVV and the name on card, and here the billing address. I need to enter the billing address that is associated with this virtual card. City, San Francisco, zip code 141 05 State, California, 𝗂𝗂𝗃. Country is United States. So what I need to do here is to click on add card. So after filling in the card details, which cross check and click on add card, add credit card. So right now I allow it to load. Boom, this card has been added successfully. So as you can see here, credit card that ends in 5120. So I've added it. So what I need to do is to select it to complete this $25 payment. So I've selected it. So right now I've loaded up to $50 inside his virtual card, because I will complete two different payments of $25 each. So this is the first payment. As you can see, I've selected the card, and what I need to do now is to make the payment. So what I need to do now is to click on view balance or make payment. So this is it. So I click on this view balance or make payment. So I click on it, and here is the transaction overview. So here it brings me back here. I need to click on pay with card, click on it, and here again. So it brings, as you can see, price $25 for VPS, and pay this amount. I need to click on it. So let me click on that now. So what I'm going to do right now, as Interserver have disabled payment to credit card, so I will choose the paper option right here and try paying with the card I linked inside my paper account. So I need to click on paper right now, and once I click on paper, it will take me to this page right here. So it is loading. So I will pay to my card, to my virtual card I linked inside this my account. So this is MasterCard. So what I need to do is to transfer funds from the first virtual card and transfer it to this MasterCard that ends in 3323, and use this card to pay. So let me pause the video and transfer. So right now I have transferred the money to this MasterCard right here, to this MasterCard, as you can see. And what I need to do is to click on pay now. So this is pay now here. So I need to click on it to complete this $25 payment, as you can see here, on Interserver VPS routine. So I click on pay now, and let's allow the payment to be processed. So as you can see, it is processing. Let's be patient. It is processing. So as you can see, you paid $25. As you can see, boom, you paid $25. So to Interserver. So this is how to complete a payment on Interserver using our virtual card. In this case, I link it to my paper account, so it is working great. So this is it. It works out great. So right now, I need to pause the video. So what I need to do. So let me screenshot it. So I've screenshotted this payment. I will then go back to the Interserver to confirm it to see. So return to merchant, and it is processing. Turning back to Interserver login, and that is it. Very simple. So I need to wait. You can see your payment was completed. To continue shopping, return to the merchant. Hello, so you have seen for yourself how I have completed these two different payments on Interserver, $25 each, for this my customer that reached out to me on Facebook. So if you need any help making payments, be it a VPS hosting on interserver.net, or or in any web hosting like whohost, bluehost, or any type of or other hosting company like a Namecheap or GoDaddy, just comment down below, and I will just comment down below, and or check my contact info in the description of the video, and contact me through WhatsApp or through Facebook, and I will help you out to complete payment as soon as possible. So as you have seen it with this proof, you have seen that I have been helping different customers to complete payments, and it has been working great. So just check my contact info in the description of the video, and contact me, and let's get it done. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.